Today, we are going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to use the Do Not Disturb and Focus features to manage and schedule your notification. So, let's get started. First, we will explore the Do Not Disturb feature, which allow you to silence calls and notifications for a specific period. Here's how to access the setting. First, open the Setting app on your iPhone. On the Setting app, scroll down and tap on Focus. Then, on the Focus setting, you can tap on Do Not Disturb. Now that we are in the right place, let's move on to the next step. In the Do Not Disturb setting open, let's schedule it for later. How to do this? You can scroll down and then you can add schedule here. On the add schedule, you can set a schedule by tap on timer. You can set the from and to times for when you want Do Not Disturb to be active. Then, for when you already set, you can tap done. For the optional, you can also toggle on the dim lock screen. How to do this? You can back to the Do Not Disturb here and select option. Then, you can turn on dim lock screen. By activate the dim lock screen, it will be darken the lock screen when this mode is on. Now your iPhone will automatically enable Do Not Disturb during the scheduled time you just set before. But what if you want more control over your notification? That's where the focus features come in. To create a custom focus mode, you can follow this step. In the focus setting, tap on the plus button in the top right corner and then you can choose a focus type or you can tap custom to create your own. You can name your custom focus mode. For example, I'm test. This is the name, and then you can create your icon and your icon color. After that, you can tap next. You can tap again on the customize focus. Then you can choose the people you want to allow notification from. Tap on the choose and then allow notification from. You can tap add people and select the contact. After you select the contact, you can tap done. After that, you can tap next. You can also choose the app you want to allow notification from. Choose app here and you can add apps here and select the app you want to allow notification and then tap done. After that, tap done once again. You can review this custom setting. Now, you already create a custom focus model. Let's learn how to schedule it. To schedule your custom focus mode for later, you can follow this step. In the focus setting, tap on your custom focus mode. For example, I'm making the test here. And then tap on, you can scroll down here and you can set schedule by add schedule here. You can set the time from and to for when you want your custom focus mode to be active. When you already set the time and also the date or the day, you can tap done. And there you have it. Your custom focus mode will now automatically activate during the scheduled time. You already successfully scheduled notification for later on your iPhone using both Do Not Disturb mode and Focus mode feature. Now you can stay focused on what's important and manage your notification effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.